During an exclusive interview with this newscast recently, the APNU AFC Member of Parliament, who is also the Shadow Minister of Legal Affairs, said that the proposed subdivision of the largest electoral district in the country points to inequality.
Why is this process restricted only to Region 4? And to that extent, Wendell, it is putting in place legislatively a legislative system, and through that process, an electoral system that will be unequal.
The Member of Parliament explained that the numerous complaints which surfaced during the course of the 2020 general and regional elections were not restricted to Region 4 only, as he ventured on to highlight that the region only forms a microcosm of what transpired during the conduct of the election.
The new arrangement, which requires putting the tabulation results or the statement of claim, or the statement of polls out in public on the different machines and the electronic devices, is a process that is only restricted to Region 4. In District 3, my party would have had and would have made numerous complaints to the returning officer then in relation to the management of the results and the declaration of the results. The same thing happened in Region 5, the same thing happened in Region 6.
After highlighting his findings, the Member of Parliament registered his suspicion over the mammoth portion of the proposed amendments being restricted to the largest voting district, which he posited his party has continuously won over the past few election cycles.
That the electoral results for the many elections indicated that my party and my coalition that I represent would have won almost I think they won every election in relation to Region 4. So there's much reason for concern and suspicion, justifiably, about these new proposals which seek to put in place this peculiar and unique system only for Region 4.
Several weeks ago, while appearing as a guest on a local talk show, the Attorney General and Minister of Legal Affairs, Anil Nandlal, stated that the proposed amendments by the government, which emanated from his ministry, do not in any way intend to favor any political party.
But I wish to assure you that there is no sinister motive, and these are not in any form or fashion designed to enhance the political fortunes of any political party.
Forde, on the other hand, believes that the current administration in drafting the proposed amendments is seeking to, in his own words, put in place arrangements or a framework that would best suit them, that is, the PPP, alluding to remaining in the seat of government for a protracted period. Several parliamentarians, members of civil society, political leaders, commentators, activists, and the likes have all joined their voices to condemn what they deem to be the lack of consultation with regard to drafting the proposed amendments to the country's electoral laws. Leader of the Alliance for Change, Kemraj Ramjitan, has called for a reset of the process, also citing lack of consultation as the reason for such a call. On Tuesday evening, during his publicized program, Issues in the News, the Attorney General launched an attack on the Ghana Human Rights Association, questioning the makeup and financing of the organization, which has also been very vocal on the proposed amendments. Wendell Badrie for the HGP Nightly News.